Why you should replace brake pads and rotors. Brake discs. Ever heard that screeching noise coming from your car when you hit the brakes? That's a sign your brake pads might be worn out. In today's video, we're going to talk about why it's crucial to replace your brake pads and rotors regularly. Importance of brakes. Brakes are one of the most essential components of your vehicle. They're responsible for stopping your car safely. Worn-out brakes can lead to accidents and put your life and the lives of others at risk. Signs of worn-out brake pads. Squeaking or squealing noises. Vibrations in the steering wheel when braking. Increase stopping distance. Grinding noises. The role of brake rotors. Brake discs. Brake rotors. Brake discs provide a surface for the brake pads to grip. When brake pads wear down, they can groove or warp the rotors. Brake discs. Warped rotors. Brake discs can cause vibrations and reduce braking efficiency. Consequences of neglecting brake maintenance. Increased risk of accidents. Costly repairs. Reduce vehicle performance. When to replace brake pads and rotors. Follow your vehicle's manufacturer's recommendations. Typically, brake pads need to be replaced every 25,000 to 50,000 miles. Rotors. Brake discs may need to be replaced at the same time or sooner if they're severely warped or grooved. Remember, neglecting brake maintenance can have serious consequences. Regular inspections and replacements are essential for your safety and the safety of others on the road. If you suspect your brakes are worn, schedule a service appointment with a mechanic today.